Welcome to Vegan Method. Today I'm making a high protein, low fat, tasty black bean pate. And to make this pate I've got 400 grams of black beans, one rather large lemon, teaspoon of cumin, teaspoon of chili powder. I've got a little bit of ginger, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, 3 teaspoons of oats and 1 teaspoon of nutritional yeast. The first thing we're going to do is juice the lemons, and this is not the smartest way to juice lemons, but recently I was in Italy, in Lemon Town, and I bought this little plate, so I thought I'd use it. It's kind of really a waste of time because it's put the seeds in the lemon juice and I had to strain them out, but still. Juice 1 lemon and the wet ingredients will go in first, so that's the first thing to do. So the lemon juice minus the seeds goes into the blender, and then I'm going to add in the black beans. After that I will put all the dry ingredients and a little piece of ginger into the blender. I'm going to set it onto pulse to make sure I can stir it around and keep it from sticking to the sides. This is a super simple recipe and it tastes really good, so I'd highly recommend it, and it takes just a few minutes in the blender. I've had to stir it around a couple of times. Maybe more lemon juice or a bit of lime juice would have helped that, but it's come out really well, and this is what it looks like. And I've now put it into a bowl and I'm going to eat it with some of my black bread. As you can see, it spreads really easily, it tastes really nice, and as I said, it's low fat, it's got good nutrition in there and some protein. So as always, thank you very much for watching. Please feel free to like, subscribe or leave your comments below.